Hi guys, this is the December issue of your Onan newsletter. I'm Kelly.
I'm Ellie.
And I'm Bob.
Merry Christmas!
December is the time for giving, so we are giving ourselves to you as property manager helper elves.
And we don't even care if you've been naughty or nice.
In this month's issue, don't be caught out when your tenant vacates. Find out how you can avoid lots of maintenances from your new tenants and keep heaps of money in your pocket.
Check out the story below and discover the difference between a vacate inspection and a maintenance audit and how this will save you loads of time and money, and will also show you how to make more money from your investment property. And we also have Bob's hot maintenance tip.
Yay! This month's hot maintenance tip is how to avoid expensive damage on your investment property this wet season. A gutter service before the rains come can save you thousands on rain and storm damage, and roof problems can be spotted before any major and expensive problems occur.
Click on the link below to find out how cyclone preparation can save you big bucks.
Thanks very much again, guys. We hope you and your families have a beautiful Christmas and a happy New Year, and we'll see you all next year.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys,
It's Christmas! Woo! You can't answer it.
What's up?
We're busy.
Sorry, can you make it quick? I'm right in the middle of a video, buddy.
I'm Ellie.
And I'm Bob.
caught when your tenant vacates. The
Benefit.
request on your next property.
And my hot maintenance tip this month will be how to avoid expensive damage to your property this wet season.
Sorry, I didn't look at the next E.
We almost got there. We did.